Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste begin a second life inside advanced recycling facilities like this one. The recycling journey begins as collected plastic waste arrives from homes, businesses, and industries. High-capacity conveyor systems move thousands of kilograms of recyclable material every hour. Despite automation, trained technicians play a vital role in ensuring only recyclable materials continue through the process. Powerful magnetic systems protect downstream equipment by removing unwanted metal contaminants. Industrial shredders reduce bulky plastic waste into manageable fragments for further cleaning. Uniform particle size improves washing efficiency and prepares the material for advanced processing. Powerful washing systems remove dirt, labels, adhesives, and other contaminants from the recycled plastic. After intensive washing, the plastic is transformed into clean, high-quality flakes, ready for the next stage of recycling.
The data aligns with the target. Yep.
Excellent, that batch is cleared.
Moving on to the next sample.
The recycled pellets are flowing efficiently. Premium-grade materials are being delivered to the machines. What began as discarded plastic waste is now a valuable product, ready to serve a new purpose in homes and industries around the world.
Warehouse, please confirm pallet number 6. Confirmed, ETA 6 minutes.
Global inventory shows green for zone 3.
Perfect, authorized shipment.
Modern recycling plants transform waste into opportunity, conserving resources, reducing pollution, and helping build a more sustainable future.
The compression result is within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's check the impact data.
The compression result is within tolerance.
Excellent. Let's check the impact data.
The circular economy in action, from waste to value. Sorting and cleaning are crucial first steps. Recycling.
Solar power generation has peaked.
Check the overall load balancing.
Adjust the parameters on my screen, please.
The advanced filtration systems are processing the wash water. The purification systems are clearing it, and there it is.
Throughput is at 22.1 tons. AI sorting accuracy looks good. Initiate transfer.
The motor temperature is slightly elevated.
Yes, the vibration analysis on the tablet confirms an anomaly here. We should log it.
Ensure all machine guards are secure.
Check the pressure on the fire extinguishers.
Remember to use the emergency exits in an evacuation. Great job on the PPE compliance team.
The polymer structure exhibits increased tensile strength.
Yes, that confirms our hypothesis.
The future of recycling combines artificial intelligence, automation, and sustainability to create a cleaner, smarter manufacturing industry. Environmental transformation, landfill to recycling facility. Before, overflowing landfill, plastic waste crisis.
Look at these new containers, made from recycled materials.
They're so colorful.
Can I have the blue one, Dad?
Of course, here you go. Helping the garden grow.
Day after day, modern recycling plants work continuously to keep valuable materials in circulation.
From discarded bottles to premium recycled products, every stage demonstrates the remarkable power of modern engineering. Choosing recycling today helps protect natural resources and creates a cleaner future for generations to come.
Innovation, responsibility, and sustainability come together here, where waste is transformed into opportunity.
Thank you for watching. The next life of plastic begins with a single decision to recycle.